Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve weight loss with Weight Watchers, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve weight loss with Weight Watchers, start by understanding the program's points system. Familiarize yourself with how foods are scored based on their nutritional value. Begin tracking your food intake daily to hold yourself accountable. Download the WW app, which makes tracking easier. Set realistic weight loss goals that are attainable and sustainable. Explore the different WW plans to find the one that best fits your lifestyle. Incorporate a variety of foods from all food groups to keep your diet balanced. Focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Prepare meals at home to control ingredients and portion sizes. Experiment with new recipes that align with your WW plan. Join a WW workshop or community group for support and motivation. Connect with others who share similar weight loss goals. Utilize WW resources, like recipes and dining out guides, to make informed choices. Track your activity levels and include regular physical exercise in your routine. Find activities you enjoy to make exercise feel less like a chore. Celebrate small victories along your weight loss journey to stay motivated. Be patient with yourself, weight loss is a gradual process. Adjust your plan as needed based on your progress and preferences. Stay engaged with WW's online resources and forums for tips and inspiration. Remember to practice mindfulness and listen to your body's hunger cues. Stay committed to your journey even when faced with challenges. With dedication and the right approach, you can successfully improve your weight loss with WW. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.